In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide frames in Miro. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out with Miro, understanding how to manage your frames effectively can enhance your workflow and improve collaboration with your team. Hiding frames in particular can help declutter your workspace, allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand. Let's dive into the process and see how this can be done. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Miro platform. Once you're on the Miro website, log in if you haven't already and navigate to the board section. This is your main hub where all your projects are stored, so you should find it familiar or easy to locate. Now that you're in the board section, go ahead and click on the specific board you want to work with. If you have several boards, simply identify the one with the frames that you'd like to hide. Click to open it up and it'll bring you to the workspace where all the magic happens. Once inside your board, you'll want to identify and select the frame that you intend to hide. Simply click on the frame and it should highlight, indicating that it's selected and ready for further action. This is a good moment to verify if this is indeed the frame you wish to alter. Taking a moment to double check can prevent unnecessary changes to your organized layout. With your frame selected, the next step is to look towards the frame options. Here, you should see an array of actions available depending on your frame's current settings. Among these, search for the option that lets you hide the frame. Typically, this option will be straightforward, maybe in a drop-down menu or as an icon directly associated with the frame actions. Clicking this will hide the selected frame from your current view, streamlining your board and reducing visual clutter, making it easier for you and your team to focus on specific tasks without distractions. An important detail to keep in mind is that for some advanced features in Miro, including hiding frames, you might encounter a prompt to upgrade your account. If your current plan doesn't support the feature, Miro will provide options for upgrading. This is a common scenario in many platforms where premium tools offer enhanced capabilities. As you consider upgrading, evaluate how often you'll use this feature and if it aligns with your collaborative needs. To wrap up, hiding frames in Miro is an efficient way to keep your boards neat and facilitate better team interactions. By following these steps, you should be able to manage your workspace more effectively. For any additional details or questions, feel free to check Miro's Resource Center or get in touch with their support team for guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you make the most out of your Miro experience.